Hello students, let's we learn from our main course book, subject ES, chapter number 14, and the chapter name is Our Food. So students, we eat various types of food in our meal, and we obtain these foods from plants and animals, and we make useful and healthy dishes from this food stuff, and we use many plants that gives in our neighborhoods as medicine too, and spices are used while cooking. These spices make the dish tasty, and apart from these, spices have an important place to cooking due to their medicinal qualities, and many of the spices of our kitchen are very good medicines for quite a few multiple or illness of our body. So from your book page number 95, there are two pictures. First, Venu's family, and next one, Rani's family. In first picture, what Venu's family do? Her mother, Venu's mother, is cooking food and her father is sweeping. And in Rani's family, her mother cooking food. And the second picture, Venu's and her parents are having a meal together, and the Rani's family, Rani is serving food to her father and brother. And the third picture of Venu's family, that Venu's parents are reading the newspaper and Venu riding a bicycle. And the picture of Rani's family, third picture, Rani and her mother are working and her father's reading the newspaper. Now we write this Venu's family and Rani's family's work. First, Venu's mother is cooking food and her father is sweeping. Here, first picture, Venu's mother is cooking food and her father is sweeping. Now, in Rani's family, Rani's mother is cooking food. And here second picture of Venu's family, Venu and her parents are having a meal together. Venu and her parents are having a meal together. And in Rani's family, second picture, Rani is serving food to her father and brother. Rani is serving food to her father and brother. And third picture, Venu's father and mother are reading the newspaper and Venu is riding a bicycle. Venu's father and mother are reading the newspaper and Venu is riding a bicycle. And the third picture of Rani's family, Rani and her mother is working and her father is reading the newspaper. Here are work done by two families, Venu's families and Rani's family. Venu's mother is cooking food and her father is sweeping. Second picture, Venu and her parents are having a meal together. Then after, Venu's father and mother are reading the newspaper and Venu is riding a bicycle. Here Rani's family, Rani's mother is cooking food and Rani is serving food to her father and brother. Here what is difference? Here father and mother are work together and here only Rani's mother is working. And in second picture, Venu and her parents are having meal together and here only father and brother and Rani is serving foods. And third picture, Rani and her mother is working and her father is reading the newspaper. Here father and mother both are read the newspaper, but here only father is reading the newspaper and Rani and her mother is working. Now here are some true and false of this chapter. First number, all the household work has to be done by only by mother? No, by father, by all the members. So here false. Second number, Venu's family lives with each other's support. True. Milk is an animal product. True. Fourth number, energy to do work is obtained by only by eating fruits. False. Number 5, to cure cold and cough, lemonade is very useful. False. And the last one, cabbage is the leafy parts of a plant. True. Now students, here fill in the blanks. First number, does the work of cooking in Rani's house. रानी के घर में कौन खाना बनाता था? Rani's mother. Rani's mother does the work of cooking in Rani's house. Now second number, oil for frying puri is obtained from प्लांट्स। ऑयल हम कहाँ से ऑब्टेन करते हैं? प्लांट में से। नाउ थर्ड नंबर, काउज, बफेलोज एंड गोट्स गिव अस मिल्क। फोर्थ नंबर, टू क्योर जॉइंट पेन, fenugreek is used. 5 number, when small children suffer from gas trouble, dash is applied around the navel. What is applied around? Asafoetida. Now read this with answer. Rani's mother does the work of cooking in Rani's house. Oil for frying puri is obtained from plants. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. To cure joint pain, fenugreek is used. When small children suffer from gas trouble, asafoetida is applied around their navel. Now here match the following. First one, turmeric, ajwain, asafoetida, fenugreek, cloves. And here gas and bloating, toothache, headache, cold and cough, stomachs and joint pain. First, turmeric is used for cold and cough. So write here 1 number. Now ajwain is used for stomach ache. Now third number, asafoetida is used for gas and bloating. Now fourth number, fenugreek. Fenugreek is used for joint pain. And the last one, cloves. Cloves is used for toothache. So these are the match the followings. Now next one, answer this question. Is your family like any one of these families? Of these families means Venus family and Rani's family. If yes, like which one, and how is your family like theirs? Which is your family like? Which one? Rani's family or Venus family? So yes, my family members resembles as Venus family. All the members of my family work together. Everyone has their meal together. Now second number, do all the people in your family member eat together? If not, why? So in my family, all the people in my family eat together. Yes, they all eat together. Now number third, how can you help in cooking? How can you help in cooking? So I cannot help directly in any cooking process because I do not know how to cook, but I can help my mothers in obtain vegetables or washing pulses and vegetables in serving foods, etc. Now for one, who does not help in cooking in the family? Why? Who does not help in cooking? Me and my father. Me and my father means my father and I do not help in cooking because we don't know or I don't know how to cook, or my father goes to office, that's why he does not help in cooking. So this was all in this chapter. Then who is there in your family? आपके फैमिली में कौन कौन है? And in my family there are my mother, father, elder sister and myself. And next one, who from your family brings vegetables from the market? From your family, who brings vegetables from the market? In my family, the work of bringing vegetables from the market is mostly done by my fathers. And which dishes are made from plants in your home or in your house? In my family, almost all dishes like rotis, vegetable, dal, rice, idli or dosa, pakodas, papad, salad, etc. all made from plants.